Yes, it do. Come on, get in there. Huh. This thing's kind of awkward to get in here, but I guess the way to do it is the instructions. I ain't reading no stinking instructions. Hell with that. This thing's falling all apart. Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's try this again. Let's set this in here the way it's supposed to be, and we'll go from there. Okay, that one's in. And this one's wanting to get in. Fall because of this. There we go. Okay, hopefully that does it. Like so. Okay, come here, baby. It's a little tight, but it eventually goes in. Probably should have used some WD-40 on this. Come on, baby, get in here. That's a little bit high. Let's see. Let me use a Torx driver for a flathead. That ought to freak some people out. Okay. It's in! Hey! How does this work? Okay. Rock on. Now, what's next? Let's see what we got here. That. All right. That. What's this? This. Swing the upper grass catcher cover down to close the attachment, pushing in on the rear right side and rear left side tabs and lock them into place under the notches. Okay. Open the bagger cover by pushing in on the tabs and lifting the upper grass catcher cover. So you push in on them. Push in on them to lift. That don't make sense. Seems like you would push out on them. Yeah, regardless. Okay, I get it. It's good enough for me. Now, let's go. Installing the deck chute. Well, that's just dropping these bags in, right? That's nice. Fits right in there. Ooh, swing. All right. Okay. So we gotta put this funky little deal here into this. Let's go over to the bench. Let me grab the right wrench here. What is that? 7/16. Can't whistle. Might get a YouTube infraction. What the hell happened to the other ratchet? It's got to be over here. There it is. Okay, which side does that go on? It goes on this side. Really? Is it feed from the inside or is it feed from the outside? Let's take a look. Well, according to this, the bolts go from the inside And nuts go on the outside. So that means it must draw the bolts through these holes right here. Let's see what happens. Draws in real nice. Sounded like that bird's right outside the window. That's that. Now what's next? Now we gotta hook this thing onto the lawnmower. It looks like it just goes right on there. And you gotta get that other wing nut and push that in. Okay. So that's what we'll do. And don't let me forget I put those there. Knees popping. Take that off real fast. And come at this at a little angle. Come on, baby, get in there. There you go. Yeah, just like that. We'll see how long that stays there. Okay, what's next? I'm gonna put our discharge chute on. That goes in like this. Okay. And take this baby, toss it in here, give it a twist, I assume until it stops spinning. Go. And then this basically hooks onto there. Rock on. Nice. There you have it, one installed bagger for the Murray M175-42. Okay, so if you like this video, of course, always give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. by all means, leave a comment. Tell me why you liked it, why you didn't like it. I'd appreciate that. Talk to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.